As a photographer, photo management software is really important to me. Today, I'm going to compare two of the products that I have used previously, and I'm going to let you in on a little bit of their benefits and their features. We're going to have a look at digiKam. We're also going to have a look at Lightroom, the classic option, and see what they actually have to offer and why you should be using them. So let's do it. Okay, so we're having a look at digiKam now. So some of their key features include handling photos, raw files, and videos across your local drives. You have removable media as well as networks. You can also choose SQLite, MySQL, or MediaDB. It works with both remote and local storage options. Also, it has powerful tagging and rating systems with AI-driven metadata enrichment for faces as well as locations, which I absolutely love. It has AI algorithms which identify similar images, also helping you to organize large collections more efficiently. This really comes into play when you are doing batch editing. You can edit photographs that have the same exposure or the same setting. You can then edit these photographs likewise in a batch. You can see over here it also has a comprehensive editor, so it supports all camera raw formats with 16-bit color depth for more professional grade editing. It can also help you manage EXIF, marker note IPTCs, GPS, and XMP metadata with robust color management. It processes hundreds of photos simultaneously with powerful batch tools as well as sharing features. And if you've ever used a batch editing feature on any editor, it is amazing. It saves you a lot of time. You can see over here it has the ability to organize photos in logical hierarchies that match your workflow. You can search by camera settings as well, geolocations, and other technical criteria. I think it is fantastic. It also has a neural network identifier, which helps you to identify similar images to eliminate redundant files. Let's have a look at Lightroom now. So Lightroom allows you to change where your photographs are stored as metadata. It never alters your original files, and you can always revert back to the original each and every time. You can apply complex adjustments instantly with some of their presets. You can also create your own presets for more consistent style. You can edit on desktop. You can continue to edit on your mobile device. The changes sync automatically through the Creative Cloud, so that is awesome. Lightroom also allows you to import, tag, and organize thousands of images with minimal effort. It has automatic subject detection and people view, which recognizes faces in your photographs instantly, and you can find any photograph quickly using metadata, ratings, or even facial recognition. You can see over here also you can share it directly to social media, which is really great. You can design photo books with templates and you can send it directly to print services. You can create professional slideshows, web galleries, and print layouts without even leaving the software. And you can back it up to the cloud and you can share your albums with your clients for review as well as selection. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. A comparison right here, a brutal, honest comparison, highlighting all of the best features and benefits from all of the software that you've just seen. Now, if this really was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we will see you next time.